Good morning, children. So today's topic is like people and their skills. Once I will revise this topic for you, people and their skills. It is not opening. Can you see the screen? No? One second. I will share you. Now it is okay? Now can you see the screen? Yeah. People and their skills. So there are so many people in the society. See, we are living in a neighborhood where there are so many people who are living around us. We take different help from them. Yes, we give service and we take help from them. Yes, and different people provide different services to us because different people will do different types of jobs. All the jobs that people are doing are not the same. All the jobs that people are not doing are not the same. Different people will be doing different jobs. See, some are doctors, some are lawyers, some are engineers, some are um, um, what different businessman. Like different people will be doing different types of jobs, and everyone will give us service, and even we also will give service. Some jobs require advanced skills while some jobs don't require skills. For example, you take washing clothes, cleaning utensils. Yes, they does not require much skills. Once or twice if you do, or like 1 week if you do, it will come automatically. The next day you will be doing your works. But some skills, some jobs are like stitching clothes or repairing vehicles, embroidery. Some jobs are there. Yes, any mechanical work like that, you need to take some training on that. Some or the other days, like 1 or 2 months, or at least for 3 months, you need to take training. Then only you can go for that uh, job. And some more jobs are there where people has to go for education. Without education you will not get a grip on that type of jobs. For example, you take doctors, teachers, lawyers, engineers, all the professional works what the people are doing. You need to take some training and education compulsory. They have to finish their studies. Yes, studies they have to finish, and they have to get a certificate, and they need to get training. Then only they can start their own. For example, doctor, he can start his clinic. Teacher can go and join in a school, or lecturers can go and join in the college, or lawyers can do their practice, engineers can do their planning and everything. So there are some jobs where we require compulsory education, certificates and training. Then some of the local craftsmen are there. Some of the local craftsmen are there where they get their jobs from their elders or from their parents, or sometimes one society where a group of people will be working. So they get that job, say they get that job from their elder. For example, some jobs like, see, pottery, mending shoes, stitching clothes, embroidery, machinery work, carpenter, tailor, furniture making. So many are there, no? Plumber. All these works, they learn from their parents. Yes, they learn from their parents. They come like, it comes from their parents. Such type of jobs. For example, you can take a potter. A potter uses wet clay. So he takes the wet clay and he uses this wet clay to make different types of pots. He makes diyas, he makes lamps, he makes by using his hands. So for this pottery, no need to invest much thing. So money investment is not need that much. With less money you can prepare more number of items with the help of this clay. Next, coming to a tailor. A tailor needs needle, thread, and sewing machine to stitch clothes. And embroidery also uses different types of threads, needles, and wooden frameworks. So they use different types, color, uh, what you can say, color, threads, and needles, everything, and they make different embroidery designs. See, like this. Okay, tailor uses this type of things, and they make beautiful embroidery designs and cloth or stitching or whatever it may be. They use all these things. Now coming to the next one, that is a cobbler. A cobbler mends old and torn shoes. See, a cobbler can make new shoes, and even he can mend. Mend means repair old and torn shoes. He uses a hammer, needle, nail, thread, and an awl for mending the shoes. Sometimes such skills are limited to a family. Sometimes a family will depend upon completely on one profession or one job only. Or sometimes some area is dependent on completely on one particular job or one particular thing. Like you can see, there are one complete village. That complete village will be very famous for something. For example, you can take Kondapalli. You know Kondapalli? Kondapalli is famous for this wooden puppets. Wooden puppets. It is very famous. And you can see Kashmir is very famous for this embroidery. Complete Kashmir area. All the people living in the Kashmir area, they are very famous, and they can do different types of embroidery work. Okay. Next, Kolhapur in Maharashtra is famous for its chappal. Okay, Kolhapuri chappal. Especially we use this type of chappal during marriage time. So particularly during marriage time, we use this type of chappal, marriages and functions. Okay, Kolhapuri is famous for chappal. Next coming Jodhpur in Rajasthan is very skilled, and they are very famous for jutis. You call it as jutis, different types and different varieties, different colors. Yes, they are. That region is very famous for jutis. Next, coming to professional skills. So till now, whatever the skills we have seen are like completely, that complete family will be depending upon that profession or that job, or the people they get that skills from the elders. But coming, these professional skills are very very important. Here, no, this does not depend that my father, it comes from me. No, here, this type of jobs, no, each and everyone, they had to study, go under training, complete your education, get your certificate, then only you can join in the job. Yes, there are some jobs for which people need to be trained, and not where they should get trained in schools and colleges, not wherever they want. They can't see others and learn. For example, a son can learn pottery from his father, but a son cannot learn doctor from the doctor father, all the doctor or medical, whatever it may be. So if father is doctor, then the son also want to become a doctor, then he also should go to college and uh, complete his mbbs, then get certificate, get trained, then only he can do doctor. But making chappal, preparing pots is not like that. A son can learn from his father. But doctors, teachers, engineers, lawyers, pilots, astronauts is not like that. You have to go to school, complete your schooling, complete your college, everything, get trained, get certificate, then only go and join in that particular job. Okay? Next coming. So people like doctors, teachers, engineers, pilots, they need to be formally trained before they can start work. For example, you take doctor. Doctors get degree from the medical colleges. A doctor should study in a medical college only. Yes, after finishing his inter, he has to write the entrance, MSET. Then after writing MSET, they will get a seat in the medical colleges. Then only after getting the seat, he has to complete his MBBS degree. Then he will get a certificate. If you want to do higher any completely, he want to do higher graduation, then he has to complete his MD. Then he will get a certificate. Then only he can take training. Then after he can start his treating patients or clinic or hospital, whatever it may be. So they need to get degrees from the medical colleges. They join the medical colleges after finishing their high school. Then after getting formally trained only, they can start treating the people, or they can start their own clinic. So you can see in the picture how they are doing the dissection. Dissection means completely they will cut the body of a human being and they learn everything. So in medical colleges, what do they do? You know, some people they will donate their dead bodies. So that dead bodies, no, or the dead body which came for post-mortem, you call it as post-mortem, means the person who is dead, they will send the dead body to post-mortem. Post-mortem means the important parts in our body, they remove the important parts in our body like eyes, kidneys, liver, heart, so that they will remove and they use for other purposes. So at that time in this medical college, completely they will dissect. Dissect means cut that body. See, you can see in this picture how they are showing everything for the medical college students. So they will cut the body, they will cut the body and they will show all the body parts for the students. Students means the medical students who want to complete the medicine. So like this everything goes on in a medical college. Okay, this is about doctors. Now coming to teachers. Teachers you are seeing daily. Yes, you are daily seeing the teachers. So all the teachers, they require special degree in schools and colleges. It is not like that after finishing your 10th or after finishing your inter or after finishing your degree, you come and join in the school. No. So you have to finish your degrees, PGs, then compulsory B.Ed, then TET, training, everything you will undergo. B.Ed means training only. So a person who want to become a teacher has to finish his degree, then he has to finish his B.Ed, then only he can join in the school. Otherwise, you will not get a job in the school. So teachers require special degrees to join in the schools and colleges. Otherwise, you are not allowed to take a teacher profession. So all the teachers, those who are here in our school, they are trained and they got degree also. We have done our B.Ed with PGs and training also. Okay, next coming to engineer. Engineers designs and constructs building and bridges. So for example, you want to construct a beautiful building, you will take a plan from the engineer. You know, the engineer will give you the plan according to your area, according to the place whatever you are having, how many square feet it is, he will give you a good plan for you. So this is kitchen, this is bathroom, this is bedroom, this is hall, this is like a puja gadi, like that all the design he will give and he will give you a good plan. Then with that plan you can construct a beautiful building. So not only giving plan for a building, but even the engineers give plan for bridges also, buildings also, apartments also, villas, everything. So they need special skills for such work. So a person who want to become an engineer has to complete his MPC in Inter, then he has to study engineering, then he has to do this profession. So they get trained at an engineering college before carrying out such activities. So engineering colleges are separate, medical colleges are separate. So the people or the students, those who want to do engineering, they will go for engineering college, and those who want to do medicine, they will go for medical college. So they complete training or everything completes in their colleges, then with the degrees and with the certificates, with the training, they come out and they do their jobs. So this is about engineers. Next coming pilots, very very important person. If you want to fly, yes, a pilot is compulsory. A pilot runs the plane and they are trained persons. Without training, a pilot is not taken to his job. They must undergo formal training in the flying institutes before they join the job. So you want to become a pilot, you have to join the institute of, yes, flying institute you have to join. Different places have this institute and you will join that institute, and after joining only, after finishing your training, then only you can go for the pilot. Okay, yes.